The reason for such different and opposite qualities is that he is indicating that any person with good or bad qualities can reach him. The three faces of Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva indicate Sattvam, Rajas and Tamas qualities respectively. This means that God is associated with all the qualities and therefore he is called Saguna Brahma. The word Saguna means all the qualities. Since Rajas and Tamas represent bad qualities, 2/3 are only bad qualities. It means that people with bad qualities are more in number. The fans of Lord Vishnu think that Vishnu is good because he is associated with Sattvam. Rajas is worse and Tamas is the worst. So they say that Vishnu is the best and highest. They think that Brahma is lower and Shiva is the worst god of demons. The God is one and the same, untouched by these three qualities. Gita says the same. Veda says that Vishnu is Brahma and also Shiva. Brahma cha Narayanaha, Shivascha Narayanaha. These three qualities are the three colored cloths of the same Lord. A person is not touched by the color of the cloth, and the color of the person is not affected. Sattvam is white, Rajas is red, and Tamas is black. So the color of Vishnu should be white, and the color of Shiva must be black. But the colors are interchanged. Vishnu is black, and Shiva is white. Shiva is sitting in meditation with good qualities. Vishnu is dancing with gopikas, which is a bad quality. Now tell me, who is greater? So, Datta is the single God present in all these three divine forms. He is not touched by any quality and is called as Nirguna Brahma. The colorless person is looking red or white or black due to the colors of his clothes. This form of Datta indicates that bhakti, that is devotion, is again untouched by good or bad qualities. Bhakti, that is love on God, appears to have the color of the quality, but it is always pure and colorless. So the person, whether good or bad, can reach God through good or bad path. When bhakti is present in the person and also present in the path, it is the driving force beyond good and bad qualities. Shiva with Tamas as a bad god invites the bad demons in a bad path. Vishnu with Sattvam as a good god invites all good angels through a good path. But remember one thing, Vishnu and Shiva are one and the same. A good person and a bad person reach the same God because their bhakti is one and the same. Demons are punished by God because they disturbed the peace. The three faces denote creation, administration and destruction of this universe by one and the same God. Veda says that these are the three activities done by one and the same God called Parabrahma. So Datta is Parabrahma as per the Vedas. We have three gurus, Shankara, Ramanuja and Madhva. They are the incarnations of Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma respectively. This means that Datta came down as these three gurus. The voice of Datta, Sri Dattavani, is the single theory present in the commentaries of the three gurus. The devotion should be real and pure without aspiring anything in return from Datta. Suppose a beggar comes to you and praises you a lot. You are asking him to move away, but a guest is given all the comforts with special love. What is the difference between these two? The intention of the beggar is to get food from you, but the intention of a guest is to see and talk with you. Since the intention differs, the treatment differs. So come to Datta as a guest If your intention is only to love Datta without aspiring anything in return, Datta will give everything to you as you are his guest. After entering into Datta religion, you will be imparted with knowledge, that is jnana, by Lord Datta directly, which will generate and also develop the devotion. This devotion should be real and selfless, which can be proved by karmaphala tyaga only. Love on Lord Datta will make you attain him. The unique speciality here is that Datta donates himself to you and merges in you while you are alive. Datta means he who donates himself to you. In other religions, you are merging with God after death only. Datta religion is the water present in all the rivers, which are the religions, and also exists separately as the ocean. All the rivers have to merge in the ocean. Datta Digambara means the actor himself who removed all the dresses of his roles and is present in his original form and natural dress. Datta Avadhuta means if you taste Datta, all your bonds in this world with all the people and all the things will be thrown away. Datta means he who donates himself in human form to undergo the sufferings of his deserving devotees. If you are ordered to pay fine by a judge, your father can pay that fine and can get you relieved from that punishment. Datta takes the human form for this purpose and undergoes sufferings totally. During the suffering, he should not use his power and avoid the experience of suffering. If he does so, it amounts to cheating the God of justice. To get the real experience of suffering, the human body he takes should follow all the rules of the nature. His suffering process is continuous from birth till he leaves this human body. During this continuous process, his human body is quickly damaged. When he gives divine visions, a high voltage current flows through his body, which further damages the body. You are associated with a few karmaphalas only, but he is associated with several karmaphalas of his devotees, continuing from several births. You can weep while suffering, but he should keep smiling. If he leaves the suffering even for a minute, he is not Datta in that minute, but Datta remains Datta always. He is sitting on the thorny throne. You are seeing only the throne, but not the thorns. Datta is the practical aspect of God. God is infinite bliss. This is the theoretical aspect of Brahman. If you become Brahman, you have become Datta. The philosophers of Advaita, monoism, are attracted by the theoretical aspect, that is Brahman. But once they come to know this practical aspect, they will like to remain in Dvaita, dualism only, as servants of Datta. Datta also means the God who is beyond vision, touch, conversation, and co-living. He gives all these four to the devotees by coming down in a human form and donates himself to his devotees.